In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Sticky Notes not syncing. Let's get started with the first step. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. This action is essential because it gives you access to all the applications and settings on your computer. You will see the Start menu pop up on your screen. It usually displays a list of pinned apps and provides a search bar at the bottom. This is where you can find all the applications installed on your PC. The Start menu is your gateway to fixing the syncing issue, so make sure to have it open before proceeding. Next, type Sticky Notes into the search bar. As you type, the system will begin to filter your installed applications. You'll see suggestions appear above the search bar, including the Sticky Notes app. This search function saves time, allowing you to quickly locate the app without scrolling through multiple folders. It's an efficient way to get to your desired application, especially when troubleshooting. Once you've typed that in, click on the Sticky Notes app icon from the search results to launch it. This action will bring the Sticky Notes interface onto your screen. You should see all your existing notes displayed. Launching the app is crucial because you need to access the settings to fix the syncing issue. If the app doesn't open, check if it's installed correctly, as this could be part of the problem. Now click the gear icon, which represents settings, in the top right corner of your main Notes list hub. This icon is typically easy to spot, and clicking it will take you to a new menu. In the Settings menu, you will find options that can help you manage how Sticky Notes operates. Adjusting these settings can be vital for resolving any issues related to syncing. From there, scroll down to the Help and Feedback section. This section often contains useful tools and options that can assist you further. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area, as it may provide troubleshooting tips or insights into known issues. Understanding these can help you take informed steps toward resolving your syncing problem. Next up, click the Sync Now button. Wait a few seconds to see if the status changes to synced. This button manually triggers the syncing process. If your notes were not previously syncing, this could resolve the issue immediately. Watch for the status message. It will let you know if the sync was successful. If it changes to synced, you can breathe a sigh of relief knowing that your notes are being backed up. After that, open the Sticky Notes settings again by clicking the gear icon. This time, click Sign Out next to your profile name at the top. Signing out can reset any temporary issues with your profile and establish a fresh connection to the Microsoft Cloud. This step is particularly useful if the syncing problem is related to your account credentials or session. Close the Sticky Notes app completely. Now reopen the app, go back to Settings, click Sign In, and re-enter your Microsoft account credentials. This re-authentication process helps refresh your connection to Microsoft services. It ensures that your credentials are up to date and that any session-related issues are resolved. At this point, if the app's local cache is corrupted, Windows can fix it without deleting your data. Open your PC's Settings app by pressing Windows key plus I. This shortcut is a convenient way to access the system settings. Once in Settings, you'll have a range of options at your fingertips to manage your applications and system features. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features. This section displays all the applications currently installed on your computer. Finding Sticky Notes in this list is crucial, as you will need to adjust its settings to address the syncing issue. It's a straightforward path to manage your applications effectively. Search for Sticky Notes in the list. This search function will make it easier to locate the app among potentially many installed applications. By narrowing down your search, you can quickly find the app and proceed to the next step without wasting time. Click the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. This will open a new screen with additional settings for the Sticky Notes app. Understanding these advanced options is important because it gives you control over how the app behaves and how it interacts with your system. Scroll down and click the Repair button. This action fixes bugs without data loss. It essentially reinitializes the app while keeping your notes intact. This is a safe way to troubleshoot without the risk of losing any important information. If it still doesn't sync, go back to this menu and click Reset. Resetting the app will remove all data and settings, so use this option as a last resort if all else fails. It's important to remember that this step clears any lingering issues, allowing you to start fresh. By following these steps carefully, you will be well on your way to fixing the syncing issues with Microsoft Sticky Notes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.